Hey, you, yes you, don't worry about the creepy-looking vampire kid, with the blood-sucking failed MLM offer, holding that ugly alien-looking dog. Who knew? Well, I need you to pay very close attention to me. What this 6-month-old baby have to say. You need to listen if you need $2,500 a week. Let me tell you about the crazy cash cow flyers and postcards. And yes, you heard it right, coming from a 6-month-old talking baby. If you're looking to earn $2,500 weekly, pay close attention to this opportunity. Here's the deal. With this program, you can unlock your earning potential by sharing our crazy cash cow flyers and postcards. It's a revolutionary opportunity that has worked for countless individuals, and it can work for you too. For more details, go to www.allyourmoney.net or call Rick at 346-704-1754. Get started today.